If you have poor circulation, here is how to solve the problem quickly. Poor blood circulation can have many causes, the main ones being having high cholesterol levels, having a poor consumption of foods that contribute fiber, eating very salty foods and, besides, little consumption of liquids. The high consumption of saturated fats leads to the elevation of cholesterol, causing it to damage blood vessels and lose the elasticity they must maintain so that blood flows with absolute freedom through all arteries. Its direct consequence is obviously the production of various circulatory problems. This time we will see how to naturally reduce the poor circulation of blood. The best advice is always better physical activity for better blood circulation. Here are some tips to follow. 1. Extension. In the morning you should stretch your limbs, this will help you a lot with your poor circulation. 2. Joint exercise. In standing position, lift yourself on your toes and lower yourself on your heels. Make sure you feel your muscles tighten, and repeat 10 times. 3. Exercises for the neck. Relax your neck, turn your head to the left and right and count to 10. Then roll your head and bend down on your chest. The crunches mean that you are doing well. 4. Lizards. Make a set of 10 push-ups right after the shower in the morning. This will give you energy for the rest of the day. 5. Increased heel and fingers. Sit on the floor with your knees at 90 degrees, then lift your toes, keeping your heel on the floor. Then put them back on the floor. Do one leg at a time at the beginning and then treat both legs. Complete the exercise by swinging your heels to your toes. 6. Rotation of the feet. Turn your foot in a clockwise direction while sitting on a chair and repeat 10 times. It will improve circulation and flexibility of the legs at the same time. 7. Hands exercises. This exercise avoids cramps in addition to improving circulation. Stretch and extend the fingers of one hand, then make a fist and hold for a few seconds. Then loosen the joint and rotate the hand in circular motion from the shoulder. Do this for